Okay, so I'm at the lake now, and this place is beautiful. I've got a new guy that I'm driving with. His name's Brecht. We actually trained together at the Lana Mutai kickboxing camp, and he's a bit of a bike enthusiast. So this is his bike, actually, Black Beast. And he's just gone for a drive on mine around the river, around the lake. Sorry. So yeah, we've been here about 5 minutes, and I'm already blown away with how spectacular this place looks. It's beautiful, it really is. But there's a lot of army guys around at the moment. There must be some training or something, and we couldn't actually get in until 12 o'clock. So we were sitting out the front at the entrance waiting for about 5 minutes or something. So we got a quick noodle soup and a drink, and then 12 o'clock we came across. I think there's some big fish in this lake too. I see a few guys fishing around here. I'm not sure if it's stocked or where they get the fish from, but yeah. And on that side there's like nice little valleys with, there's a snake. Holy shit. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so nice.